Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting, and today's video we are continuing with our September Build a Journal Challenge, where we build a journal one day at a time through the month of September. Whew, that's a lot to say right in the beginning of a video. Today is September 15th. We are halfway through our journal. And if you are following along and playing along, congratulations. I'm proud of you. We're halfway through. And today's an easy day, so that makes it even better. Why is it an easy day? Because we are just going to take the tags we made yesterday and find spots for them. Okay? Now, we have belly bands, we have tuck spots, we have pockets. That does not mean you have to put your journaling cards in there. Okay? You can just stick a journaling card with a paper clip or a bulldog clip or a clothespin into your journal and just leave it there. As a matter of fact, let me pull out. Hold on, I'm pulling out my... Oh, I just banged the desk. Sorry about that. Okay. So this little container here has a bunch of decorating stuff in it. So since I mentioned it, let's grab a little bulldog clip. And I don't have any paper clips in here. My paper clips are over there, but we will grab a clothespin. Just to show you that you do not have to, oh, we got to move these over. I don't know what happened here, but they used to fit well and now they don't, because I've dug through this so many times. Okay. So we have a clothespin and a bulldog clip, and let's get started. So I, like always, am going to split my, cards up. 3 for the first, oh my god, signature. Jeez Louise. The other 3 for the other signature. I'm sorry. It just may be like that today. Alright, so I do know that I want to put one of these in a belly band. So we're just going to shove that in there. See, look how nice that fits. And then one of these I want to put in this section here. Where's my coffee cup one here? We're going to do the coffee cup one over here. And we're going to clip this in because it is, that's not a coffee cup. Thanks guys for telling me, I appreciate that. We're just going to clip this in. Because this is my center and I just love this photo, I don't want to glue this in, so this is where we're going to clip it. And we'll do the same on this signature over here. And we'll take this guy and we will clip him right there. Okay? All right, now back to this one. So we have that, and then let's go to this section and find somewhere to put it. I think in this little tuck spot here. Okay, so there we go. Though this color may not work. Let's do this. That's better. Okay, and then we'll move on to this section and see where we can put the other ones. Here's a little tuck spot. Oh, look at that. That looks cute in that little tuck spot because of the browns and the, I mean, that looks good, right? And then we will go to the other side of the center signature because now we have one on one side. We have one in the middle, and now we'll do one on this side. You don't have to do it this way. This is just my OCD type stuff kicking in. I'm not gonna lie. And then we'll just put this one here. Okay, right? Yep, there we go. So now we have a little buffalo clip here, this little clothespin up here. Okay, and now our journal's getting chunkier and chunkier as we go. That's why I gave myself plenty of room. But just to show you again where everything is, I put this one under this belly band that we made and put in a few videos ago. This one gets clipped here because it's our center signature. I also cannot forget to add charms when the time comes. There'll be charms there. And then the last one went in this little tuck spot here. So for the next signature, we put one in this little corner tuck. And then one went in our center. So this one's clothespined in. These clothespins I believe I got at Joann. They're Park Lane and they were super cheap, in case you were wondering. And then we put this one in this pocket right here. So there you go. Those are our 6 journaling cards. You may have more, but you should not have any less. Okay? Let me know down below what kind of clips you used. Did you use clips? What kind did you use? Where'd you put them? And what made you decide to use the clips? Let me know. I'm curious to know how you guys are doing on this journey. I do know that a bunch of you have downloaded the free PDF. So I know there are a bunch of you playing along. Nobody's using the hashtag yet. Hashtag, it'll be on the screen somewhere, but it's hashtag MP Build a Journal 2023. And that's okay. You don't have to post if you don't want to. I just want you to have fun and play along. Okay? Thanks so much for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.